Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in today's Canva training I'm going to show you how to attach a URL to a PDF file. That way you can put it into any PDF file that you send, like to your list, any ebook that you make. You can create an image with a URL link because that would be a PDF. Anything like that. Since this has to be a PDF file in order to do the URL link, you cannot upload it like into GetResponse. You cannot use them for any social media sites because those all need to be PNG or JPEG image files. But anyway, so this image that you're looking at here is one that I made for the PWA program. And so I've got the image itself highlighted, which you can see the markers. I've got everything in a group here. And all you do is simply go up here to the right-hand corner. And I'm just going to, so you click on that little hyperlink. And I'm just going to put in my website URL just for something to put in. Okay, generateyourwealth.com, apply. And then just simply download. And this is kind of just a warning telling you that this is a PNG file, but I have a hyperlink and that won't work and it needs to be changed to a PDF. So just click this little drop down arrow, change it to the PDF, and then download. Okay, so now that I have those in my downloads, I'm going to click on my download here where I downloaded it, and there's the file that I downloaded. And if you remember, I just put in my website URL, so let's just click on that, and voila, generateyourwealth.com. There's my website. Me and my hubby in Arizona. Okay, so anyway, that's how you attach a URL to a PDF file. And you can do that for ebooks or newsletters, anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this Canva training. If so, please leave me a comment and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.